kecil kan.
Mm-mm.
Terus
Adik.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrofil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajmain amma ba'du. Dear parents, let's look to the slide. Let's look to the slide. If we read the meaning of Surah Al-Hijr and 20, what do you think? Thank you for your attention. Talk about the meaning. Let's underline the word. Sumber-sumber cerita untuk keperluanmu. From this meaning, we consider that human need to fill our lives such as food, lifestyle, and etc. Dear parents, we are going to do a presentation about the livelihood of the lowlands. Please enjoy.
Landforms are naturally occurring features that take shapes on the Earth's surface. They come in all sizes and shapes, each with its distinct characteristics. Landforms can be classified into two different kinds, lowlands and highlands. Beaches, plains, valleys, and canyons are lowland landforms, while mountain hills and plateaus are highland landforms. We learn about landscape from the landforms. A landscape is an area containing several natural features, such as river valley.
Dear parents, do you know what are lowlands? A lowland is an area where the land is at, near, or below the level of the sea, and where there are not usually mountains or large hills. It's flatland. Lowlands are not very high, above sea level. What is the difference between a highland and a lowland? Highlands are areas of elevated terrain, characterized by higher altitudes and mountainous or hilly landscape. They typically feature rugged terrain with steep slopes and peaks. Lowlands, on the other hand, are areas of relatively low elevation, often with gently rolling hills or flat plains. The lowland have several characteristics, including the elevation is no more than 200 meters above sea level. Formed through river sedimentation process, relatively flat and fertile soil. Air temperature around 23 until 28 degrees Celsius. Sufficient water availability, good drainage. The highlands have several characteristics, including the elevation of highland is at least 500 meters above sea level.
The lowlands have the potential for natural resources that can be preserved and provide benefits to the surrounding community. The natural resources found in the lowlands can be preserved and provide benefits. The natural resources in the lowlands can be utilized for profitable economic activities. using alternative media or techniques for planting, such as hydroponic vegetable farming. The plantations. Plantations communities cultivate in the lowland areas include coffee, coconut, sugarcane, rubbers, and oil palm. Plantation business can be carried out in lowland areas with elevation up to 700 meters. The types of plantation that can be developed in these areas include sugarcane, rubber, and coffee plantations. The fishes. As a region close to coastal areas, the potential natural resources of the lowland can be utilized by taking advantage of freshwater fishes, marine fishes, and brackish water fishes. Fishes activity that can be carried out in the lowlands include pond farming, which can produce shrimp, catfish, and snakehead fish, which can later be sold or consumed by the local community.
That concludes our presentation of the definition of landscape. Based on what we have learned, continuing from the explanation about landscape, our college from Group 2 will now present about livelihood focusing on lowland as we have outlined.
Okay, thank